Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we will be learning how to climb up and down sketchy places. Let's get right to it. Here is sketchy place number 1. So when we're climbing up this, we're going to be on our hands and our feet, okay? Because we have boulders and very loose gravel, so it's kind of dangerous. One priority thing that you're looking for, always the number one thing you look for, is footholds and handholds so you can actually latch onto the rocks. Here's an example of a good foothold. And here's an example of a bad one. Good. 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 Bad. Good. 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 That's good. Great. That's bad. Good. Good. Good one. Good. Good. Yes, I made it. Now the tricky part. So a lot of times people get stuck in these scenarios. They made it to the top and they're so excited, but then they look down and they're like, well crap, how am I gonna get down? What I'm going to do is I'm never going to place my toes downhill, because if I trip and fall, bye-bye Jack. And I'm also going to have 3 parts of my body touching at all times, like kind of this. And it's good to slide on the dirt. Sometimes people start freaking out, and that's when they get hurt. So it's good to slide. See? Easy peasy. Okay, sketchy place number 2. This is going to be really steep. So I'm using my trusty walking stick to pretty much claw my way up. So what I'm doing is I'm sticking it in so it pretty much acts as a 3rd leg. So that will make me get up a lot easier. Yes, I made it to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my stick and I'm going to sink it into the ground behind me. So remember, you always want 3 points of contact. Right foot, left foot, and stick. Yay. And that's how you make it down safely. Sketchy place number 2. Okay, this is sketchy place number 3. Okay, so this is a mixture of sketchy place 1 and 2. So it's pretty dangerous. It's very loose soil. As you can see, it has boulders, footholds, handholds. And so before we climb this, remember, you always want your toes never pointing down, because if I fall face plant, Jack's by. And then right here, you always want it kind of diagonally so you could slide almost. And you always want 3 parts of your body touching the ground at all times. Let's get to it. Foothole. Well, there's a squirrel.
But there's a squirrel.
Let's go in here. And sometimes it's safe to take a break. If you're tired and you keep climbing, you could easily fall. All right, let's keep going now. And remember, you can always use your stick to climb up too. Okay, nice view. Let's go down now. So I have my 3 points of contact, 4 going down this because it's pretty hard. Also, try to avoid things that could trip you too. Another way of getting down is just sidestepping. All right. We're gonna take this one really slowly. So what you wanna do now, so I know I said that footholds are for climbing, but also they can be used for going down too. So what I'm gonna try to do here, is I'm gonna try to find a foothold and a handhold, so I could go down a lot safer than just jumping or anything like that. Also, you can make your own footholds. If it's loose dirt, just kick it and make a hole. All right. Remember, never facing my toes downward. Always side or backwards. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to climb up and down sketchy places. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time.